Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi, this is Jack from Appliance Factory. Today I'm going to show you how to take the racks out of a GE dishwasher. The top rack should be easy. You don't need anything. Just all you have to do is pull it out and it comes out. This bottom one should just roll out. And the top one, you'll need a 1/4 bit socket. And you'll need to find these screws back here. Take these two out. Just come to the side and pull this metal bracket out. And there's another one back here. All you have to do is push the rail back just a little bit. And the same with this side. All right, we're gonna put it back in. It's easier with 2 people. But make sure that the little button slides in the bracket, and then same with the front. Make sure those slide in, and then screw in the 1/4 screws. That's how we get the middle rack in. The bottom rack, again, should just slide back in. Make sure it's on the guides. And the top rack also just slides in. That's how we take the racks off a 3-rack GE dishwasher.